Today we are going to learn a new story about the bird and the tortoise, two objects. Okay? One fine day, the bird was flying to build its nest. From far, it could see a big tree, came to the tree, started building its own nest. It had eggs in the nest. Near to the tree, there was a pond where the tortoise was living. Tortoise always used to see the bird and the nest. It used to wonder, the nest what is built by the bird is not that nice to see. How can they stay in such a shabby place? It came near the tree and said, "Oh my dear bird, can I ask you one thing?" And the bird said, "Yes. I see the nest you built is so shabby. How can you stay there?" The bird said it did not feel bad at all, but it did not taken away by the stick. Instead, it gave a very nice reply. "Maybe my house is shabby, full of dust particles, but I have a place where I can include my family and my friends. You might be having a big shell, but other than you, nobody can get in." The bird also replied, "You might be having a very beautiful house, but I have a very nice home to live.